Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Engineering Modules. Today I am going to discuss you about voltage source and current source. You all have studied in 11th and 12th class about electricity. So there we found that some electrical circuits, some electromagnetic circuits and other circuits as semiconductor devices and semiconductor circuits. So all the circuits have a basic thing, that is voltage source. So what is voltage source? Voltage source is a source that supply voltage. So now the question is, what type of voltage? It is maybe DC or AC. So a general thing that a DC voltage has a symbol of this DC, and AC voltage has a symbol of this AC voltage. So now a DC voltage and a AC voltage has a basic difference of phase. So what is phase? This is omega. Omega is the denotation of phase. But basically phase is the angle, or you may say lag or lapse, between current and voltage or any other parameters, circuit parameters. So now I am going to discuss you the basic voltage source and current source interchangeable. As we know all that ammeter as series and voltmeter at parallel, because ammeter has minimum resistance and voltmeter has maximum resistance. So now how to convert? Now we going to provide that how to convert voltage source to current source. So why we want this conversion? We have this conversion because there are some circuits that have mainly current source utilization. So now if we draw a circuit that have a voltage source Vs and a resistance with series, so we convert this thing into a circuit that have a current source with parallel to a resistance. So this is a parallel circuit. So now this is a current source. Now what is the value of current source? The value of current source is Vs by R, And we also convert a current source which is connected to parallel with a resistance called RL with a voltage source and a series resistance. So what is the voltage source? V, and this is RL and this is RA. Okay. So this is the mainly conversion. So now, what is the value of V? The value of V is V equal to A, the value of current source, into RL. This is the value. And intact RL equal to RL. The resistance is equal to the series resistance. So this is the mainly conversion. So how many types of current source can there are some current source that are DC current and AC current. What is the symbol of DC current? This has no variance, but AC current has a variance that has AC current. This is the symbol. AC current also a phasor diagram of either sine wave or some sinusoidal wave, as this, where this is omega t and this is I. So this is the basic things about AC circuit, and this is DC current and AC current. So AC current is the representation of IAC equal to I naught sine omega t, and also voltage of AC voltage source has a representation of V naught sine omega t. So what is I naught? I naught is the peak current, and V naught is peak voltage. But DC current has no phase diagram. So the main peak voltage and peak current is the average or general voltage of DC current. It is the nature of voltage. V DC equals to V naught, I AC equals to I naught. This is the maximum voltage, because in DC omega equal to 0. So this is the fundamentals of AC source and DC source, and we also provide you the AC voltage source to current source conversion and current source to voltage source conversion. So friends, I want also provide you some other videos about electrical and electronics engineering. So please like my video and share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Pause.